Have you ever wondered how to create a tiny world in a tiny space? Welcome to the enchanting realm of miniature gardening, where imagination blooms in compact corners. This delightful hobby is all about crafting intricate landscapes in small spaces. Creating a miniature garden is easier than you might think. Firstly, understand that every miniature garden is a world in itself. To create this tiny world, you'll need 3 basic elements: a small container, which will be the canvas for your creation, miniature plants, which will give life to your garden, and decorative elements like tiny benches or cottages, which will add a unique touch to your world. These elements are the foundation of any miniature garden. So gather these elements, let your creativity unfold, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. With these elements in hand, you're ready to start building your tiny world. Now comes the fun part, creating your miniature garden. First, select a container that suits your vision. This may be a simple pot, a glass terrarium, or even an old wheelbarrow. Next is selecting your miniature plants. Choose plants that share similar light and water requirements. Succulents, mosses, and small-leafed plants make excellent choices. Once you've chosen your plant palette, it's time to plant. Start with your tallest plants and work your way down to your ground-covering plants. Finally, let your creativity shine through the decorative elements. Add a tiny bench, a miniature birdhouse, or a small stone path. These tiny details bring your miniature garden to life. And voila, you've created your very own tiny world. Maintaining your miniature garden is as important as creating it. It's a living artwork requiring regular care, like gentle watering and pruning. Think of it as tending to a tiny, verdant universe. With the right care, your tiny world can last for years. So, are you ready to create your own miniature world? Remember, it's all about choosing the right plants, creating a design, and providing proper care. Give it a try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative ideas. Happy gardening!